In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can convert any non-smart TV into a smart TV with internet and apps. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, instead of buying a brand new smart TV, really all you need to get is an Amazon Fire TV stick. Inside the box, you'll get a Fire TV stick, an HDMI extender cable, a power cable and power adapter, as well as a remote with batteries, which is way cheaper than replacing your entire TV, and it only costs about 24 USD. That's super cheap. But essentially, you just take that Fire TV stick, plug it in an HDMI port on your TV, you connect the power cable to the stick, plug it in the wall using the power adapter, and then you use your TV remote to switch the HDMI input that you plugged it into. As soon as you switch those inputs, you should see the Fire TV setup screen. And then from here, you can download apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, whatever it might be. All you got to do is go over to this little search option right here, scroll down, either hit this app store or just search for whatever you want to go ahead and get, and you can install it from there. Now, if your TV is older and it still works fine, this is obviously way cheaper than buying a brand new smart TV. You're basically just adding a full smart interface by plugging in one small little device. Also, I will say the Fire TV sticks usually go on sale a lot during major events like holiday deals, so it's worth keeping an eye out for discounts. But that is it. That is how you could turn any non-smart TV into a smart TV in just a few minutes. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.